So now that you know the procedure will be pain-free, you might assume this might be a really expensive procedure. The cost of a root canal may depend on a variety of factors. These may range from the country you belong to the equipment used, to the practice or the skill of the dentist that you are going to. The important thing to remember is that the entire experience should be pain-free and that you get to save your tooth, which is incomparable to any price that you pay. The other thing to remember is that besides the cost of the root canal, you also need to factor in the cost of reconstructing the broken tooth structure. We also recommend a cap or a crown, which is something that will protect your tooth from any further decay or damage, and also make sure that you can bite and eat everything that you need to as before. So these are the two additional factors or costings that you need to consider in your entire treatment plan when considering a root canal. So hope this video helped you realize that root canals, one of the most dreaded procedures in dentistry, is now pain-free and should be done at the earliest. Don't wait for the last minute, save your teeth and your smile. And if you like this content, then do share, subscribe to The Pain Free Dentist, making dentistry painless, one smile at a time.